Okay, this video is about repairing land shark bites. You're going to need fiberglass resin, sandpaper. Here's fiberglass resin. I've got some in here. I'm getting ready. I've got to scuff this down. I put masking tape on for where the holes in the skirt were. And I've used masking tape to hold it in place. Then I'm gonna scuff it, and I'm gonna lay down my pre-cut cloth and paint resin over the whole thing. Then this is what it looks like when it's glassed up. You need to let this cure for maybe about an hour and a half, then we can unmask it and start working on the front side. Okay, now I've recreated the piece. It's all solid one-piece fiberglass. Now all I have to do is repeat the steps on the top. Now that I've got the basic shape, I just fiberglass resin and cloth. I'll grind these cracks down to give it somewhere to go. Then all it is just like regular body work. You just use body filler and primer and good to go.